Hi. Coming from my last video on communication where I mentioned how important it is to have the right intention, how important it is to have good intention when you are talking with your husband, I would like to add that you might be having good intention, you might be wanting to speak to him out of love, but still you see that he does not respond or he does not talk to you the way you want him to talk with you. And that is because while at that point in time you might be coming from the place of love, but if you go deep inside you, you will realize that what is also getting reflected in your talk is your past hurts and pains, the ones which you have experienced from your childhood, maybe with your parents, with your grandparents, with your batchmates, friends, neighbors, anybody. Those pains and hurts have not healed and they have got suppressed deep in your unconscious mind. And when you are wanting to speak with your husband, somewhere those hurts are getting reflected, those pains are getting reflected, and what you are expecting is you are expecting him to heal your past pains and hurts. You are expecting him to get you the love that you might not have experienced in the way you wanted it, or you have faced so much of rejection that those hurts and pains get surfaced when you are connecting with your man. So next time you want to talk to your husband, just sit in silence for about a couple of minutes and understand what place are you coming from. If you know that there are some pains and hurts, it is very important that you first learn to heal your heart. And once that is done, only then you can start to connect with your husband again. Now, this is to say that from your past, your brain has got programmed to rejection. Your brain has got programmed to not being accepted, and which is what is getting reflected as hurts and pains. Reprogram, learn to reprogram, learn to heal your heart. Only then when you start to connect with your husband, you will realize he will begin to respond, because he might have also faced these kind of situations in his life. You cannot do anything about it, but then what you can do is, once you heal your heart from within, once you heal your pains and hurts, and once you reprogram your mind, then only you will be starting to come from the place of love, and you will then see how he begins to respond to every single word that you say. Practice this and let me have your comments privately, and should you need any help, I am there. I am just a call away. Message me and we can take it up from there. Thank you for watching this video, and I really wish you a great connection with your husband. Thank you and have a great life. Bye.